Governor Spencer Cox says our COVID numbers are heading in the right direction. During his weekly update today, he said COVID case counts are dropping and more Utahns are getting vaccinated. But despite this progress, the governor says it's still too soon for us to let our guard down. ABC4's Haley Hendricks live in Salt Lake City for us tonight with the latest details. Haley.
Glenn, the state is progressing in its COVID-19 recovery plan, getting back to that new normal. Today's state leaders addressing the change. Utah has met all key metrics required to get rid of House Bill 294's public health requirements. Now, nearly all state restrictions are no longer in place. Governor Spencer Cox and state epidemiologist Dr. Angela Dunn credit COVID-19 vaccination rates for the progress.
We appreciate Utahns who have stepped up and gotten those vaccines.
That's what we need to be doing right now is getting more people vaccinated. That's really our ticket out of this.
A milestone set to be reached tomorrow with 1 million Utahns fully vaccinated, with fewer COVID-19 cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. We asked Dr. Dunn and Governor Cox what they would have done differently in the state's pandemic response.
There are definitely lessons learned.
I think that's one of the areas where the ball was dropped significantly. If they had treated testing the way they had treated vaccines.
And what they've done well.
To me, getting to the end of some of these metrics and these requirements, I'm incredibly excited. I'm incredibly relieved. Seeing the death counts come down. I mean, that to me is the best part of all. It means fewer people are dying of this virus.
Best thing that we've done as a state is remain flexible and nimble. So when we got new information, we acted on it quickly and we were able to change course based on that new information to save lives in this state.
Dunn and Cox both hopeful for what the future holds. Now, greater access to vaccines are helping to close the vaccine equity gap. So far, the state has received 200 requests from organizations who would like to host their own clinic. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Haley Hendricks, ABC4 News.
Thank you, Haley. Today also marked the final briefing for state epidemiologist Dr. Angela Dunn.
And I do just want to say, since this is my last press conference, thank you. Thank you to the state of Utah, to my Utah Department of Health family, of course, the media, and all the Utahns out there who have been such a great support over the past 14 months.
For her final briefing, Governor Spencer Cox wearing an I Heart Dr. Dunn t-shirt as a final thank you for her service. Dr. Dunn taking a new position as the executive director of the Salt Lake County Health Department.
Well, today the Utah Department of